Mushrif Park is indeed one of Dubai's most family-friendly destinations. Situated about 16 kilometers from the city center, this expansive park spans approximately 5.25 square kilometers. Established in 1982 by Dubai Municipality, it underwent a significant renovation and expansion in 1989, making it a premier spot for recreation and relaxation. The park offers a mix of natural beauty and modern amenities. Its features include picnic areas, shaded spots, and barbecue facilities make it ideal for family gatherings. Playgrounds, dedicated spaces for children to enjoy, swimming pools, separate pools for adults and children, miniature houses, a unique attraction showcasing miniature replicas of traditional houses from around the world. Nature trails, perfect for walking and exploring the flora and fauna native to the region. Horseback riding and cycling, options for those seeking adventure and fitness. Mushrif Park is also a hub for birdwatchers, as it is home to several species of local and migratory birds. Its blend of natural and recreational facilities ensures there is something for everyone to enjoy. Discover the beauty of the UAE with WeFamo Tour and Travel. We offer comprehensive tourism services, including experienced tourist guides, vehicles with drivers for all destinations, family and individual packages, and accommodation arrangements. Whether you're planning a family vacation or a solo adventure, we ensure a seamless travel experience. Contact us, +9715 510 22172.